goats. Only we sell it after the goat's going bigger, but the goat it's hard to be going big. No food. Yes, it's best. Wow, nice. Oh, you can donate me also, Robert. You can donate me also, lechon. Just kidding. I love lechon. Oh my god. Give me some lechon. I love lechon. Only the skin. Give me some lechon, Robert. I will yeah, I like only the skin. I don't like the inside.
Wala lagi kasunod.
Give me some skin,
Ano di wa kasunod?
Robert. I want skin of lechon.
Pag may tagabot, tumamabaw na may diha sa
You know the you know the lechon here, it's so expensive, Robert. All cost. Yeah, you know that the lechon is very expensive here in Philippines. Yeah, yes, 9,000. Yeah, 9,000 pesos. Yes. It's packaged. 9,000 pesos is packaged for you because there are 9,000 pesos. We package like they have 3 dishes for 9,000 pesos. They have pancit or spaghetti or they have lechon package. Female lechon tastes better, but no, I know. I don't know about that. Like that female lechon is taste better than oh, I don't know about it, Robert. Because you know any lechon, only I don't eat much lechon, only the skin. I don't like the inside. Like, yeah, sometimes lechon is like the inside is very like that. It's very hard to bite. I don't like it. You know, in my daughter's birthday, I buy always lechon. Last time I didn't have lechon. I don't know now. I plan, but if I have enough budget. Thomas, hi Susanna, nice to see you. Oh, Thomas, nice to see you again here. How are you? Zion, cartel on the way. What cartel? My ano is very my signal is very good. Like I'm